add 4 rows here, here, and here. This will be the very base of the truck, which will, the front wheels will be attached here. This will end up being the grill once it's built up, and this will end up being the hood once this is built up. Okay, I have my additional rows built up for the bottom, the front, lower bumper, grill, and then this will be the hood. I need to make another outline frame piece for the right side of the truck. For the top of my windshield area is dry. So I want to use these jumbo craft sticks to make the side portion where the door and the front side covering the front tire. So I'm going to snip these to size and then glue these down. For the bottom of my truck bed, I want to use these large craft sticks, and I already have one of them marked where I want to cut. I'm going to snip the ends, glue these together, and then glue them to the bottom of this. This will be the sides of the truck bed. So I think this will work, and these aren't so thick that they will create more weight. I don't want this to end up being too heavy. Okay, this is all dry, so I want to glue this to here. And then once this is fully dry, I'll put the base part of my truck bed on to here. Sculpt clay that I want to use for my wheels. I'm not going to roll this out because I want to keep this thickness. I need a wheel that's going to be sturdy enough to support the truck, and I do plan on putting things in the bed of the truck, so I'm going to use this cap It's got a pretty nice depth to it, and the size will be adequate for the truck. So I'm gonna try to get 4 wheels out of this chunk of clay. So I'll have to add a little bit to that, but the size of that, I think that'll be good for a wheel. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, I think that's perfect. I love this. I think this will make a really good wheel. So I'm gonna keep going and cut out the rest. And I'm gonna set these aside and let these dry and then paint them tomorrow. Side mirrors, the pictures that I've seen of the 1960s Chevy pickups, they have them hanging from the top. So I want to use these pieces, these checker and backgammon pieces that I used the board for another craft, and I had these just laying in the stash. I'll take one of these circles and use a small craft stick to hold it, and I want to have it like hanging down like that. And then I just found these today at Dollar Tree. They have Christmas stuff out. So I'm gonna take some of these little squares and glue them down to the circle so that I have actual mirror for my side mirrors. When the clay wheels were still wet, I inserted the dowel rod on the underside so that once they dried, I could reinsert with glue so they would hold the truck up. I adore the way this replica truck turned out.
I just love it. It's so cute, and I just love how the clay wheels turned out with the tire tread. They really look like real tires. And even though I couldn't get the side mirrors angled quite the way they were in the photo, I really love the way everything turned out on this truck. It's so cute, and I'm inspired to make more vehicles.